Hey, everyone! Today, we're going to unlock the Samsung FRP, and yes, it also has a KG lock. Let's get started. Let's check the phone has an FRP lock. Make sure to connect to a good Wi-Fi network to unlock FRP with IMEI. A mobile hotspot won't work. Now, we'll place an IMEI order on the server to unlock the FRP. Open your browser and search for MD Unlocker. If you don't have an account on our server, click Register. Since we already have an account, we'll log in now. If you want to add funds, you can use our payment gateways like Binance, TRC20, or PayPal. All payments are added instantly. If you face any issues, feel free to contact our support team. Our website has the best themes. Choose the one that's easiest for you to understand. We have 3 servers for Samsung FRP unlock using IMEI. Click this button to see your model is compatible to unlock via IMEI. Now, enter the phone IMEI and serial number, then place your order. Once the order is processed, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Mobile hotspots won't work. After connecting, continue the setup, and it will prompt you to restart your phone. After the restart is complete, continue the setup. The phone will restart again, then you can continue the setup process again. Congratulations! The FRP has been successfully unlocked. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share it.